How to use Clickup for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you what Clickup is, how to start using its services, and how to use its features. So basically, Clickup is a cloud-based collaboration and project management tool suitable for businesses of all sizes and industries. And features include communication and collaboration tools, task assignments and statuses alerts, and ask a toolbar. So basically, if you want to access their services, just make an account. So let me just go ahead and input my details right here. Okay, it's taking a while to load up, and let's just wait for it to load up. And once it's done loading, you can actually start to explore their platform already. So I think there's a problem right here, so we'll just go ahead and click the button again. Alright, so there are tons of applications just like ClickUp out there, you guys. We also have other cloud-based collaboration and project management tools out there. Like, for example, we also have Toggle. Toggle Plan is also an example. Oh, and then yeah, it's done. It's done loading up. After it's done loading up, just go ahead and put in a few more details like your full name, the email, and password. Basically, you choose a strong password. It needs you to put in a capital letter. So see, it needs at least one capital letter. So just go ahead and change the first letter to capital right there. And after that, we're pretty much good to go. And let me just save the password. Okay, so let me just go ahead and verify my account by copying this code, because it will ask you guys to verify your account. So make sure that you do, because if you don't, well, you won't be able to use their features. So you can also name your workplace right before starting, and after that, you can also choose an avatar. So you can just choose what color you want, or you can drop an image. And you can also choose the theme. This one's pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and click green. So that's pretty neat. And it will ask you how many people you'll be working with. And basically, this is a survey question. So go ahead and click Google Ads. So you can also invite people to your workplace right away, or you can choose to do so later. So it can also customize how you work by enabling click apps. So there's this thing in their platform called click apps. So they're right here. So basically, just click what you want to show up in your feed or in your workspace. So they have priorities, tags, custom fields, multiple assignees, time estimates, time tracking, tasks and multiple lists, milestones, and sprints. So basically, these are features that you can access later on when you start working. So just go ahead and it looks good. And it will also integrate other apps like Slack, Zapier. So choose any app that you use. So let's go ahead and click Zapier, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom and Slack. Basically, we'll integrate all the tasks that are saved in other platforms, and it can save it to this particular platform, which is ClickUp. So now let's go ahead and click play with ClickUp. And it's now setting up. Basically, this one is helpful when you're managing deadlines and projects. And it shows you here a video, so you can choose to play it or not. Okay, so now let's talk about their features. So right here is the home tab, where you can see everything about your work or everything that's going on in your workspace. So right here is a lineup. So it means, this feature lets you include your important tasks. And there's also a trending space right there. So it shows here what tasks are trending. And of course, your My Workspace here lets you see your to-do lists, the comments on your work, and your work done as well, and the delegated works. So for the comments, it will show up down here once you've already managed to make a project, and then people or your workmates comment on it. And pretty much it for the My Workspace right here. And the delegated feature, you can actually learn more about it just by clicking and learn more about delegating. So it helps you to not forget about the tasks and who you delegated them to. And right over here on this side is the calendar. It's an hourly calendar, so it's pretty cool. It lets you type in whatever tasks you want to accomplish within a certain hour or within a certain timeline of hours, within hours. So you guys, it's pretty neat. It's a closer view of the tasks that you need to do. So I think that's pretty, yeah, it's pretty neat, you guys. And of course, you can choose your integrations right here, like Slack, Discord, Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams, and a lot more platforms. So this way you can save time by just clicking them, and you don't have to manually input any work that is needed to be done from these platforms. And let's go ahead and explore more. We also have the notifications tab. Well, basically this shows you your notifications. If you have received a new one, you can see it here. If you've cleared some notifications, you can actually see them here. And you can also choose to see more. And Pulse, this is a different feature, a whole new different feature. You can actually choose to learn about it more just by clicking this, but it's a new way to work remotely. You can now see a real-time view into who's online and what they're working on. So this lets you see your workmates and what they're currently working on. That way you'll be able to know if you're catching up or not. So I think this one's pretty important. And you can also set up your you can also see them right here and what they're working on at a certain time, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. You can see there, and you can also set up a goal right here, you guys. So it says here, make your goals a reality. You can set a goal just by clicking this button, and let's try to create one. Let's go ahead and type in finish all PPT, and let's click OK. And the owner of this project would be, let's go ahead and click me, and let's click OK. And you can also choose, or you can also decide who will have access to this goal. You can actually just make it private, or you can let your workmates know about this goal. And you can also choose the end date of your goal. So let's go ahead and put November 30 right there and click OK. You can also add a description, or if you choose not to, you can just go ahead and click OK. So let me just put in PPT for boss. So yeah, that is basically it about ClickUp, you guys. So this is a beginner's guide, so you can go ahead and explore more on your own. So I think it's pretty neat. What do you think, you guys? Leave down your comments below, and see you again during our next video. That's it. Goodbye.